In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the typography on your website using CSS. This is a fantastic way to enhance the visual appeal of your site and ensure that your text aligns perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together so you can achieve that polished, professional look you're aiming for. First, you'll want to head over to your website's dashboard. If you're not already familiar with navigating your dashboard, don't worry, it's quite simple once you get the hang of it. Start by locating the Website Tools section. This is typically found in the main menu of your site's administrative panel. Once you're there, click on Website Tools and then navigate to Custom CSS. This is where the magic happens, and you'll have the opportunity to make very precise adjustments to how your website looks. Now, let's talk about coding a bit. If coding sounds intimidating, remember that with a few targeted changes, you can make a big impact. The goal here is to customize specific text elements on your site. For instance, let's say you want to change the font of all the bold text. By using some simple CSS code, it's entirely possible. Here's a snippet that will do just that. You'll write strong, which is a CSS selector that targets bold text. Inside the curly braces, you'll include your styling changes. We'll begin with font weight set to normal because we're altering bold text to a less bold version. Next, add font family, followed by the name of your chosen font. Just replace your second font name with the actual font you desire. Finally, to give the text a bit of extra emphasis, you can change the font size and set it to 1.2 em, which enlarges the text slightly. For other variations, you can switch the word strong with other selectors. For italics, you might use M. If you want to apply changes to a specific area, you can even use a unique block ID. This level of targeting allows maximum customization without affecting other parts of your site's typography. Essentially, whatever part of the text you want to customize, there's likely a simple code adjustment that will allow you to do so. Once you've made those changes, be sure to save them. This step is crucial, as it ensures your customizations will be reflected on the site. After saving, take a moment to preview your site to see how it looks and make sure everything appears as expected. And there you have it. You've just customized the font on your website using CSS, giving it a unique look that matches your style perfectly. By taking control of your typography, you enhance not only the readability, but also the overall design of your website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.